Hey guys, Matt from Colton RV. Yet another Widget Wednesday and another exciting product that we have for you this week. This week is Andersen's automatic leveling kits for travel trailers. Okay, so it's a whole entire pack. It comes in a nice carrying case, but let's talk about what comes in this kit. First and foremost, I think the most important product is the automatic leveler for travel trailers. Now this is perfect for dual axle trailers because you have two leveling kits. How this kit works is when you get to your campsite and you're still backing up that trailer onto the site, you're going to roll over this crescent and that's going to level your camper side to side. Once this piece is up, you're going to slide the chalk underneath it and that's going to prevent you from rolling away. Okay, now this is perfect, like I said, for dual axles because you have two of these leveling kits. Okay, but there's also some other things included too. You will get 2 extra chalks for the opposite side. You will get 4 pads for your stabilizer jacks, so those don't sink into the ground. You get a easy lift tool for the tongue jack, so you have a little extra height when hitching up. And not to mention a little dirt catcher before you enter into the RV, which is going to collect up to 90% of dirt on your shoes before going into the trailer. So perfect little kit for everything you need. Comes into the carrying case. The promo for this week, it used to be $239, but today and this week it's $199. So come on down. Any questions, give us a call, 694-0188. And that's it. Thanks, guys.